Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, January the 3rd, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time. And this one will be number 9839. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16, that's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then I need to think hard. Yeah. I'm stuck. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Okay. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 3 ones we have here. If we place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Okay. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1 digit left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 3 minutes. We saw it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.